guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Crystal and today I'm going to be doing a drugstore beauty makeup look. So if you're new to my channel, hey, how are you? This is my second video. I do have a personal YouTube account where I'm going to be vlogging, doing challenges and clothing hauls, and that is Chrissy Renee 1. It will be on the screen and down below in the description box. So today I'm just going to be doing a gold look, kind of to go with my cheetah sweatshirt, because I want to do a colorful look, but I just don't think I want to do it like right now. Also, I'm sorry about the shadow and like the dark spot right here. I'm gonna try to like fix it with the lighting and stuff. It's late, it's dark outside, so the lighting's gonna change probably a lot. But that being said, let's get right into this video. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. Just use one pump, that's literally all I need. Just go like this. So, I don't have all drugstore products, but I am working on getting them. I don't know, I just think it's a lot harder to get drugstore products because a lot of people use name brand or high-end products, and like that's what I'm used to searching for. So getting drugstore is a lot harder because the only company or brand that I really know that's good is e.l.f. Now that I've done that, I'm going to do my eyebrows. I do not have a drugstore eyebrow product yet, so I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil in the shade dark brown. And I've already brushed out my eyebrows and put my gel on there. Lately, I've also been trying to work on getting my eyebrows to grow out because they're so thin, and I really want thicker eyebrows. The way they are right now, I really like. Zoom in for y'all so you can see more. So like that's what my eyebrow looks like, and it was a lot skinnier. Okay, so there's one. It's not done, trust me. Like it looks kind of bad right now, but it'll look a lot better in a little bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one off camera. And I figured out what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be recreating this look right here. She is completely gorgeous. I'm gonna do like a gold eye and a different color on my waterline, and I think that is so pretty. Well, not my waterline, but like underneath, because I don't have eyeliner like that. So I am going to do that, or maybe I won't do like the under eye color, but I really like the gold on the eyelids, so I'm gonna do that. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the second color of the palette. Oh, you can't even see it. The second color of the palette. And I'm just gonna put that all up here and like down at the bottom. Now I'm gonna go in with that darker brown that I used the first time, but I'm gonna be using the other end of the brush just so I can just make this part darker. I said this part like I didn't know that's called the crease. Oh my goodness. Okay, now the only other thing I'm gonna do is use gold. So the only problem with using gold is which gold do I want to use? Because there's so many. There's so many golds. I have all of these right here, and then I have the darker ones, but I do think I'm gonna stay here and I'm gonna use this one. Okay, I said that was gonna be hard, but it actually was not. So I'm just gonna use my finger to get it. Oh my gosh, that's a little darky dark. Ooh. Smoky eye, who? Jeez, girl. Now I'm gonna go in with my brush and I'm just gonna blend it out. My lighter color just to soften that out a little bit. So that's enough with the eyeshadow. That's what it's looking like. they look completely different, but we're just gonna move on. I was gonna do my lashes now, but I really need to do my concealer right here. Now I'm gonna go back in with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender, and I'm just gonna blend this out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my mascara. For mascara, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Lash Sensational waterproof mascara. It just looks like this, and I'm gonna be using my pink eyelash curler. It's literally nothing like the picture I showed. The falsies I'm going to be using today are the Kiss Naked Drama collection, and they're from Lash Couture. They like this. They are gorgeous. I love these. I've used them a few times. I know you saw that crooked one, but don't come for me. And these Naked Drama lashes I got from CVS. They're really good. Just gonna let this dry real fast. Okay, the front is not dry all the way. Okay, so there's one on. I'm gonna check my camera to make sure it's not lifting or anything at the bottom or the top. Okay, but it looks fine, so I'm just gonna leave it. I'm gonna go on and go to the next lash. Okay guys, I am back, and this is what the lashes look like, and this is what it looks like from like kind of far away. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get into the face makeup finally. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and spot conceal a little bit before I put on my foundation. I have a lot of acne scars, so if you have any acne recommendations, please let me know. Acne scar recommendations. Like, my skin normally stays pretty clear for the most part, but I have scars from like years ago when I used to pop all my pimples. So for foundation, I have never used this foundation before in my life. This is the Color Perfect Oil-Free Liquid Makeup, and it looks like this. This foundation was $4.59, so I really hope it's good. This is dark. See, Cameron, I know you're watching this. He picked it out for me because we were together. I knew I should have got the one I wanted to get. It's okay, it was just $4. Like, it's not that big of a deal. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on here. The one thing I do like is it is an applicator, and I like that more than the pump. I'm scared. Oh, that is so dark. Oh my god, that is so dark. There's no way that's gonna blend out. Oh no, baby. Well, I'll give it a try. My brush is hard though. Like, I really need to clean these things. We'll give it a shot just because it blend. I can see it as I'm sitting back, and I don't know. I'm not even gonna use a lot just because I already know this is not gonna be good. It'll be a good contour though, so I'll use it still. I like this foundation though. It's very soft. Okay, this might be my summer shade, but this definitely is not my fall shade. But it is blending out pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Ew, I just realized I called Cameron. I meant to say babe. Like, That's ew. Baby. No. This is so dark. It's very nice foundation, not gonna lie. For $4, like, okay, how about? I'm gonna go back in with my concealer and like try to fix this a little bit. God bless my skin. I was just talking about how it's normally clear. I don't know about that after today. I think I'm just gonna leave it alone. I can already see that this is an oily foundation, and I do not like oily foundations because I have oily skin and it does not go together. Now for the scary part, contour. It's just scary because of the foundation. This was the one I was gonna use. Actually, I'm still gonna use this one because I'm too scared to use the other one. So I'm gonna use, this is by True Complex, the dark to deep palette. Next, I'm going to bake. Now I'm going to be using my Mary Kay setting powder. I honestly am not sure if this is drugstore or not. I got this as a gift, so I don't really know if this is drugstore. It probably isn't, but I do want to try. I think it's like a Sunkissed translucent powder brand. Is that what it's called? I don't even know. It's like an orange top. The makeup looks good itself. I'm not even gonna lie to you. It's just a little dark. Now I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. blush in the shade. There's not one here. Great, but this is what it looks like. It's just a little pink color. Take my Real Techniques, Real Perfection. This honestly does not look as bad as I thought it would. It's coming out a lot lighter on camera than it is for me. But we're gonna go ahead and move on to lips because my lips are so dry. I'm using the e.l.f. Ride or Die lip balm in the color Tough Cookie. So it just looks like this. I'm so sorry, I keep looking at the viewfinder. I just like want to look at myself and the lighting. Not my favorite. It's kind of sticky. It's really not bad, but it's more of a no makeup look. And that's not what I'm going for right now. So I'm just gonna take it off and put a clear gloss on there because the pink is like throwing off the whole look and I just don't like it. So I'm gonna use my Ulta Beauty Juice Infused Lip Oil, and it looks like this. This is the one that you can find at the front of the store, like by the register, and I love this one and I've been using it for years, so it's pretty good. And it's not sticky, it's super soft. It's glossy. Like, do you see this? My lips look so pink and it smells really good. Okay, lastly I'm going to be doing highlighter. And if you didn't see, this palette has a highlighter in there, and that's why I didn't buy a drugstore highlighter. I'm just going to be using my Real Perfection fan brush. Oh, this is actually like not bad at all. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was very fun filming it, but there were some bumps in the road, I'm not gonna lie. But every product I use I actually really like, except for the e.l.f. the lip balm. I really don't like it. Well, I like it, just not for the look I was going for today. So overall, the Color Perfection foundation gets I'll give it an 8 out of 10 because it's really soft and light, but it was just too dark. I really like how it blended out though. So if you want a cheap foundation, definitely go to Target or Walmart. It might be at Walmart, but I got this from Target. $4.95 or $4.50 something. It's really good. I've already used this primer about 3 times and I really love it. I'm just gonna give it a 10 out of 10 along with the blush. I couldn't figure out what I was saying. And then this True Complex contour palette, I'm gonna give this a 8 out of 10 as well because it actually did really good with this foundation. Even though it was a little bit darker than I expected, it still worked out really good, and I actually really love this look. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Also check the link down below to check out my personal channel where I do vlogs and hauls and stuff like that. Stay safe. It'll be a crazy month. I feel like next few weeks, it's just gonna be hectic and crazy, but I just hope you all stay safe and that you subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye.